I'm going to show you how to save hundreds of dollars using this summer when you're fishing, catching fishing bait. First of all, you're going to put the wristband on your wrist, but never tighten it, because if you snag something in the water, it could drag you under. So loose with the wristband. Next, you're going to wrap the hand line in 1 to 2 foot inch circles. Once you get up to the horn of the net, this is the horn. You're going to hold that up and grab around 12 inches down from the top and bend that over like that. Now I got the hand line and I'm going to grab the top of the net in my right hand because I'm right-handed. Now I'm going to come down the net right here with my left hand. Come straight down and grab a lead weight. Now I'm going to fan this out, make sure there's no tangles. Now I'm going to grab the lead weight and put it in my right hand. Just like that. Once again, where I grab that weight here, I'm going to come straight down the line and hold that like that. Now that net is already 1/4 open. Now the key to getting this net to open when you throw it is when you come out like this, make sure you spin that net.